Big Taganjong, salamat. Imo kong gipahilak. Ako mag-expect gahapon kang nanay 20 pero karon ka ani ni mo sa kalimot nimo. Thank you to God. Imo mo kong gipahilak ko.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
Hi Dad, happy birthday, happy new year, belated Valentine's Day, and happy Mother's Day. Ako mapagkaon, payon ka kanunay, ug na-surprise ka karong adlaw atol sa imong adlaw na tawhan Dad. Again, happy blessed birthday. Wish you all the best and good health always, and more birthdays to celebrate. Dugay na ni nako gipabok nila ni Nems ug ni June Wardet. Pag January pa, after sa adlaw ni Manang Presita, dili gyud ko kalimot sa imong adlaw na tawhan kay pareha biya ta Aris. March 26 lang ka, ako March 31. Gors na gyud ko det, but bahala gors basta himsog. Diha biya unta akong plano mag-birthday sa 60 sa Pinas det, but husband don't allow me to travel because of this pandemic. Anyway, happy blessed birthday, and akong mga panghinaot hatagan ka kanunay dugang kusog ug kabaskog sa imong panglawas ug daghan pa kang katuigan ug daghan pang adlaw nga tawhan nga imong sa ulogon. Banding ra tapon pohon, okay? Gimingaw na ko ninyo tanan diha. Gimingaw na ko sa isla where my heart belongs. Regards ko sa tanan ug mubalik na ko sa trabaho kay ni break ra kog kadali para makarecord ko aning akong voicemail para mabati ni akong tingog. Nigawas ako kadali so balik na ko. So, cheers for life. Happy, blessed birthday. Happy birthday!
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name
kong gipahilak. Wa ko mag-expect gahapon kang nanay birthday pero karon abi ko magmingaw ko wa kay nigrita ko mga anak ko nga naon ta pero ikaw ra din ang kayo mo. Uya. Sorry na wala ko kumisi mo. Pero I miss you sa. Hindi ko kalimot nimo. Thank you to God. Imo mo kong gipahilak ko.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to good. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to I don't think you'd mind it if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change